Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coming up to you with under eye creasing problem. Okay, I've seen this a lot on YouTube, so I decided why not show you some kind of tricks and tips. The one works for me. Okay, maybe I don't do it on camera, but I do it really when I know I don't want to crease, I don't want to wear so much makeup. Okay, and this works for me. I hope it's going to be helpful and works for you, and I hope you also give it a try. Okay, there is no harm in trying something. Okay, any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I get my under eye, how I prevent my under eye from creasing, you already know what to do. Just stick around, and as always, don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, ciao. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, since we are going for a very dry under eye, how to prevent your under eye from creasing. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to go straight ahead and prime my whole face. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Mr. Prime Pro Minimizing Prime. Okay, Pro Minimizing Prime. All right, so this is what I'm going to use for all my face. So yeah, I'm just going to apply some pump right here. Wow, that was quite a lot. I'm just going to use my finger to distribute that all over my face, and I'm going to be applying under my eye. You're dancing like the nights are never ending. I'm going to be spraying my face. I'm going to be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixing Matte Setting Spray. I'm just going to shake it. Make sure you shake this product before you use it. Shake it very well. I'm just going to spray that all over my face. I'm going to be taking my Real Technique sponge. It's very clean, and it's very necessary to use a clean Technique sponge, or beauty blender is very necessary. I'm just going to use that. Kindly dab that to my face. I'm just pressing the primer in. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and apply my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using today is this Milani Concealer Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. This is a very full coverage foundation. So I'm just going to apply 2 pumps, and it's a very thick product. 2.5 pump. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be avoiding under my eye. I'm not going to apply foundation right there, because that is going to minimize the creasing from your concealer. Because when you apply a bunch of foundation under your eye, and before you go in with your concealer, you will easily crease under your eye. So I'm just avoiding under my eye. I don't know, I'm feeling my face is looking dewy, and I'm seeing it on my mirrors in front of me. My face is dewy. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't apply any setting powder before, but don't worry about that. So I'm still going to be setting my face. I'm going to set my face with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Deep Dark Girl Beauty Blender. I'm going to be taking that setting spray from MAC. I'm just going to spray my beauty blender like so. I dab under my eye. Nothing is on it, okay? Just the setting spray. Just dab under my eye. Conceal and defined. I'm going to be using 2 shades. The first shade I'm going to be using is C13. So I'm going to let that sit a little bit, okay? Using the number C15 to contour. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. C12. Like the nights are never ending. We will live a life, we will live a life, we will live a life, we will live a we are still going to let that sit as well. And use the other side to blend out my highlights. Before, when I used to blend out my concealer, my highlight, I'm always in a rush, but now I do take time to blend, and I notice the difference when I blend more, when I take time to blend more, and when I blend in a hurry. I'm still going to use my technique sponge. I'm just going to use to blend out the edges, so you can really smooth the edges. It's not looking ashy. Okay, took me 6 minutes to blend my concealer, my contour, and my concealer. 6 good minutes. Okay, spraying my fix matte spray once again on my beauty blender, and then use it to blend your under eye once again. You might think it's taking away the product. It's not. Okay, if you use a good setting spray, it's not doing that. It's not at all. I've tried this method several times and it works really well for me. So to set under my eye, I'm going to be using the Airspun loose face powder. This one right here. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using this MAC or the Angels contour palette. This is how it looks like. This one right here. This one is a setting powder, while this one is a contour powder. Okay. And same time, set my nose with that contour powder as well. Just like so, and then go on top of that setting powder, set it once again. Yeah, it sounds crazy, I know, but trust me, it works a lot. So I'm done with what I really come here to show you guys. I'm going to be doing my face off camera. I'm going to be doing my eyebrow, my extra lashes, my lip. I'm going to be right back to show you the finished look. It's going to take me up to 30 minutes to finish doing the rest of my makeup. So let's tell the difference now and later. Okay, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, just stick around. Your baby girl will be back. Okay.